So hi everyone, I am Dimple and today I am going to present assignment 2 which was given to us. So the question number 1 was we have given the crystals and we have to assign the point groups of the crystals by analyzing the morphology of the crystals. So we have taken the photographs of the crystals. As we can see from these photographs, the lattice parameters A, B and C, these all are unequal, means A was not equals to B, not equals to C. So the crystal system may have orthorhombic, monoclinic or triclinic crystal structure. After that we analyze the angles alpha, beta and gamma. So we found that alpha was equals to gamma was but they were not equals to beta. So this proves that the crystal system has monoclinic crystal structure and the possible point groups can be 2, 2 by m and m. Next question was we have to solve and refine the crystal structures using the OLX2 software for the 3 data sets which were provided to us, data 1, 2 and 3n. So to solve the crystal structure using the OLX2 software, first we downloaded the OLX2 software and then we opened the data 1 in the OLX2 software. So we obtain ball like structure, gray ball like structure, and then we assign those balls, we assigned the atoms to those balls according to the molecular formula, and we keep on refining the structure, and we refine the structure until we get a minimum value of R. R was basically the R factor which shows the agreement of this, which shows how much this obtained structure resembles with the actual structure. So we tried to minimize this value as much as possible. So these are the files, these are the informations we got from this OLX2 softwares. As we can see, we can have the empirical formula, crystal system, space group, and the cell parameters A, B, C, alpha, beta, gamma, etc. So this table represents all the information of this crystal structure. Then we downloaded the zip files using this work tab, and then we went to refine tab. Here we have this ACTA option. From this we can get the zip files. Similarly, we solved the crystal structure for the data set data 2. So we have followed the same procedure. First we opened the INS file which was provided to us. Then we tried to assign the atoms with the plausible atoms from this label tab to match it with the given molecular formula, and we refined it again and again until we get a minimum value of R. These are the informations which we get from this for this crystal, and the same procedure we followed for the third data set. This was the crystal structure obtained, and these are the informations. Here we get the R value of around 3.32%. Next question was we have to make the crystal packing diagram of the given structures using the Vesta software. So first the zip files we obtained using the OLX software, we uploaded those files, we loaded those files in the Vesta software, and we found the crystal packing diagram. So this was the crystal packing diagram which we obtained for the data 1. So using this crystal packing diagram we can visualize the structure. This was the crystal packing diagram which we obtained for data 2, and this was for 3. Next question was we have to simulate the XRD patterns for each of the structures solved. So for this also we have used the Vesta software. So to simulate the powder XRD patterns, we just uploaded the files and we got these powder XRD patterns. This was the powder XRD pattern for data 1, for data 2, and this was for data 3. Thank you.